Nokia, Samsung, a ban home appliances, so why TVs, refrigerators, air conditioners, printers, gas cookers, home theater systems, stabilizers, kettles, blenders, Bluetooth speakers, washing machines, water dispensers, microwave ovens, CCTV cameras, from brands like Samsung, Nasco Media, Skyworth, and TCL. Tosa HMCB, your head office branch. It could be a mobile phone, blender, Bluetooth speaker, kettle, or a bag of rice. Head office branch local Kumlemle at Ben City Light, Friday 0544 959 195. Afe 020 793 7323. Freddy's Corner, your authentic source of quality mobile phone and home appliances. And they are Korean Obama. So bet me I enjoy Big Brother season 5 on African Magic Family. Watching it to Rock 3 for a mix of Ghanaian and Nigerian superstars. It entrapped. Now for why I enjoy season 2 of Killing Eve on Fox. Watch open it up with amazing content on Star Live, Z World, Telemundo, Discovery ID, and so much more. All on Go TV. So don't miss out on all the fun and action on Go TV this July from as low as 20 Ghana cedis. I guess the moon is still at time. Bet me I connect to our brother using my Go TV app, pay by the point, and I feel mobile money agent be a Ben Obia. Now crawl.
Medasi.
If I show you a moment more, this August means Momo Man is back, y'all, and it's bigger than ever before. From now till the end of September, you can win up to 10,000 Ghana cedis cash just by paying with your Momo QR code and merchant ID when you shop. Easy, right? Just shop, pay with Momo, but please opt to pay for your goods and services with a QR code or merchant ID in your My MTN app. Now, why accumulate reward and also why accumulate rewards and by way of points, not just a time and you could be one of the 2,000 winners. That was out Mantimo, MTN, Momo Manti, also bet me a part of the winners. Yeah, let me check out points just by dialing *120 hash. Such a sweet reward for shopping safe and using Momo. Wow. So please note that all winners will only be called by the official MTN number. That is 024 300,000. Some number no pen. Will be the number who be for us when we knew us our promo or just Momo 8. We there for you everywhere you go. And that for sure will take us to filler time, baby. And my girl is in the building, y'all. We are sharing ye. Sister Sandy be a guy, baby. Say it same way. Try filler. Sister Sandy be a guy.
Yeah, broski, no darling.
That hairstyle not your form. Me sure woman so just a scalp one year there around there. Achime. So my choice was just I renew is and I'm feelings for you now more.
You know, like, and I'm gonna do it more, you know. Oh, and then Thursday. Oh, sorry. Like, number sent me real up high. It's like so high, but let me just keep it low.
On the low.
Make look what to say from Moses to Maxwell. Kabna Jollof, Obia Hoyen. Who is winning? Are you?
Said the Anika Konda Moses at your
Moses Abessam home.
Yeah,
and then Moses woman.
Moses is a good guy, and I'm saying.
Hey, when I vote Yama Moses.
Say,
Kabna pay you.
That be T.
And then the bride
the woman say.
Mark Sampa.
That be T. Sandy. Mami
Casamitio.
And no credit.
Back
na enokre no ba akopɛ na ɛyɛ ni nyina ne sɛ
bra Moses di ono aneko
ti Moses is a good guy. Now all these guys omo feel win omo nyina so me so anom de fa but omo nyina so nhye dan action so omo nyina na me kra mo de fa so kra mo action
commission
ya ma e po mo den mo action ma no but Moses there unse no me di no dance your church say Moses is a correct guy. And so be Atlanta, Georgia, across US. No one near me be person the bag and
Moses
is there because that a correct guy or best sort it out.
And now we
means that Moses has some kind of
Moses crying and manufacture Atlanta hobby. Like a guy you know.
It's me vote Moses right. Moses says Yama. Oh, Massa.
Oh, Moses. What about
Sister Sandy be a guy.
My secret on why financing.
Oh.
I can lock down here and two make us say, no. I said, why do you when you are the bats? Yeah, lock down, dear. Ain't me no.
Yeah, Boko.
And I soon Jenny Hoto.
Me pressure.
Pressure be any news because what do fine? I said, what did when you crash? You never just a minute. I got my
sister near. Yeah,
happy birthday, come my Enoch Obesi. Our ejuma Gino Eston. Hey, Montreal, Eastern region. Or manager, I would say a Yeko for Regia. Enoch Obesi, our Gino. We say free Akusia. Or multimedia has a sales department. Now, young stories, no so. What's your answer? Patapaya poison?
Oh, Miss,
I didn't want
to talk about what they matter.
Me wouldn't talk about
it.
One on the CSA. Ya poison me no create and no me who are the misray. Ya me family bonus. Because I've had a trend in the badger. I by force.
24
I must trend. Sa girl be on so yareka class and it's moon homa can boom say on so say you're always trending be say woo. Why resurrecting? Oh, yet to chroma mobile ya will be entertain a serious da. Me who picture and I'm a picture patapata to picture. Do you say no I that way? Any food poison that I area sorry I'm the press you release about saying yeah forget the story and then it's true. Na mo kasi ya nkwalani ati krom ha wo
concert
na ya nfa serious a mo wi am say na obi support hwe omo talent na wo ho obonyem fabra ye bebo keche no darling nye na ya boya mama be same we ya same enye se chinchina trend by force enye because we be na Moses fans no
Moses do
Moses do o Moses for Deji o my I'm for aswaya she so we got your send Rama fans no me couldn't tell baby o say hey wifey
Jerry
Adam so no lie what that what no lie na bra Jerry me say patapa on yesterday no more fa a show business serious. These are some of the things that I am for show business serious.
Yeah, very true.
And I can't watch me kwame asem ya ye cooking can I research o the hospital pass so say yare. Enye enti mundi no kre na ye hu sa ne be ye nema na afi ye nto aso an episode ni Jupiter enti why na ya mete air why no ho so the obefrem at my life. Oh, say Jupiter na episode so DJ mo Twitter hono mo a. Omo follow mo ho.
Omo don't worry.
Ba je me say a trend bibia.
Mo dey see ya na be.
Like ade a chia mo ma me mpe sabi asam a nyansa wo mi meka se akola bi DJ Switch bi boma mrofo bi wo ye California. Amo si se beji ne mama na ye Ghana ha. Mo ma me meka story bi sa. Ase de bia omo de me ya ne so omo aye trendy hunu ni wie na aka. almost see negative stories. Positive stories right now about now watching. And your negative stories never.
Yeah.
Episode name Jupiter. You see a fair battle. A stone boy in the Shatawali. Some up a battle ni biamu mehume. Me entertainment. Me ame battle streets. Eko komle maybe a floor. And you feel mo shut down follow mo hubi. And ya kana me bed where I so there. Yen kwa nko si Saturday obi be beef song e pio there. Yen kwa yen mo nko si Saturday true anya episode da. E be Jupiter. Funny enough, two boys omo nyina ye very talented. Omo nyina is so good. We have more energy level on stage, especially Jupiter in any episode ningina. Live performance they are good. It's battle na mo pa mo na munya ya on follow ya hona. Ya ka o de nya hwe train beef song no. Mo de buy so dey. We dey no darling cry we dey. Ya be hwe na ya dey ama omo na em say 2020 so ya e bad ye bra. And no say France eja show.
Yeah.
Eja share ewo ho na I say incidents na 2020 ni na ye hu ba bi e free ni hu ba bi e call na hu ba bi e free ba enti aye bad ye enti ase obi a hwe ne hu ye obi a hwe ne hu amanfo kra refi se corona wo krum no mo hage no mo chia ya nchia na obechia wo hu enti corona na still wo ho France na eja dem no eti Ghana mo me mo ye ho bonden pa na mo ye ho ban sanse na to ya ye ni mi akakra into Monday G na 2020 to ye bayire ho so ye ho so kra ne abehwe ye be miakuru into omonye wild na ye mbo ye ho ban na me fa de twato emfa enjao onsa ya na mpese ye celebrate tetefo no
sure
ansa na emre twam na fe obeye oh no you oti asema ne nte ona sum se oye good ene nipa mpese ye true light no ne so ye Davi Albert Kubovo Brian Etriani Deus, especially from 93 to 97 2000s, he was really active. Okay, Fresh Trouble. Our series, no. He played a very vital role. And aside that, he was very talented. And I don't know where he is now. Until I would name Davi. Also, Ghana Manamu. Triani Deus. Wayebi. On my screen, so I mean, it was really lovely to watch them. Now we enjoy your whole fine and more content. It was very educative. And our bride Jerry Tetefono, almost celebrities, they were very humble. They were so decent. Who say Davi be the phone scene so did ya temina me fear na me cement cry ye wo me fie and we are singing na dangote wa
Sabrina
okay ni cheska obi ameka se ni fie ni cheska dalles ye papa dia and they were so decent. So if there's one thing na ye be pese ye be koye chi akwa back abekai ene celebrities na is the fact that they were very decent and na no mu bu omo and they were real good role models. Sunko free. Intimate sorry swan. Baje woman. Now enche me drop it back. Oh, we my man no palogobia. Me feature tino. Okay. Do be Saturday mame. Why? But most sisters stay and I most me sama.
Oh, most is over there. Me nina.
Well line no. Okay, you wild na line na. Me
cookie ya. Sale. That's right.
Yeah, bad.
Yo.
Dots necessary no. Like dots, polka dots, right?
Oh my word. Alright, so that was Sister Sandy B. A guy with Filler. Bringing us to a close for today. Usuti 106.3 at Dome FM. Of course, Ghana's #1 radio station. You're really waiting now, and sorry, so falling again. Stone Boy. Could you find? Start all over. Wanna ride you like a Land Rover.